Do you want to be unstoppable? Do you want to know what are the reasons what that is keeping you stuck in your life? If you said yes, you are here at the right place. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about I was struggling badly in my life. These were the top 8 reasons that were holding me back. And I was not even aware that these things are holding me. मुझे idea तक नहीं था कि ये चीज़ें मुझे रोक रही हैं. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about top 8 reasons that are stopping you to move ahead in your life, and they're stopping you to attain greater success that you truly deserve it. So if you're ready, let's go. So today's session is I'm going to share with you a mind map, and in this mind map I've covered 8 specific things that are stopping you to move ahead in your life. Number 1, self-doubt. What is self-doubt? Self-doubt मतलब constantly अपने आप को question करना. Am I doing this right? Am I not doing this right? What if I'm going to fail? Am I really good enough to do this? Do I really deserve it? If you have these kind of self-doubts, gone. You cannot move ahead. You are somewhere stuck in your life. And in order to overcome self-doubt, you have to build something that I called unshakable confidence. And in order to build confidence is like a skill, like any other skill, confidence is a skill. And the way I have built this skill is by constantly training and reprogramming my mind. Right? So what happens is, because confidence basically comes from competence. That's one of the main reasons, right? So if you're constantly doubting, मुझसे ये होगा, ये नहीं होगा, ऐसा करूँ, वैसा करूँ, it means there's a lack of clarity in your life, okay? And because of that, you're constantly doubting yourself. But if you have a clarity, if you know क्या करना है, if you have that predictable results, and if you are getting results in your life, you will not get into downward spiral of self-doubts. Right? So this is the number 1 reasons that has stopped me. I would say for 2.5 years I was going through the cycle of self-doubt. The second thing that may stop you is limiting belief. Limiting belief क्या होता है? Belief means a thought. एक ऐसा thought that is in my mind and I have accepted that it is a true without having the evidence of it. What is it? And limiting belief is something that is limiting you. आपको वो आगे बढ़ने नहीं दे रहा है, limit कर रहा है ना वो आपको. So जैसे I had constant belief, कि बहुत मेहनत लगती है पैसा कमाने में. I have to work for 12 to 14 hours to earn a lot of money. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, पता नहीं कितने घंटे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. But after I learned from some of my gurus, some of my mentors, I realized people, they don't have any limiting belief related to money. Money is abundant, it is everywhere. We have limiting beliefs is because of our conditioning. बचपन से हमने कुछ चीज़ें सुनी होती हैं, अपब्रिंगिंग में हमको कुछ बोला जाता है और वो चीज़ हमारे माइंड में स्टक हो जाती है, और क्योंकि वो चीज़ स्टक हो जाती है वो उसी को हम कैरी करते हैं, उसी की तरह से हम लाइफ जीते हैं. एंड देयर इज सो मच दैट यू आर मिसिंग इन योर लाइफ जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव दोज लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स. So throw those limiting beliefs from your life. Third that I want to share with you is people whom you are with. Yes, there's a beautiful quote, that said that you are product of 5 people you associate yourself with. And I so much agree to this. क्योंकि क्या होता है, your company जिनके साथ आप हैं, it's an energy exchange. जिनके साथ आप जाते हैं आपको एक एनर्जी मिलती है. Everything is energy. So क्या होता है, अगर आप पॉजिटिव लोगों के साथ एसोसिएटेड हैं, so you get that positive energy, you get enthusiasm, you get that positive thinking. But at the same time, if you're with people who are constantly negative, who are thinking small, who are always complaining, who are always cribbing, you will have effect of that. Okay, so you don't want, you accept it, you don't accept it, doesn't matter. आप जिनके साथ हैं, जिनके साथ सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, आप वैसे ही बनते हैं. So it means you have to choose very carefully आप किसके साथ रहें, किसके साथ नहीं रहें. You have to be very conscious of your close circle specifically. Okay, that these are the people who always, there's some amazing connect with these people. They'll always uplift you. They accept you the way you are. Because if you are with people who are not accepting you, or they're constantly negative, or they're putting you down, gone. You won't be able to go ahead in your life. And again, I can say this because I have seen my life when I was with people who were not accepting me, who were draining me, who were so negative about me and life. And today I'm with people who are uplifting me, who are positive about me, and most important, they accept me for who I am. It's a world of different, guys. So do yourself a favor. Be only with people who can take you to the next level or who are at least positive. The fourth thing that it may stop you is called stuck in past. So yes, it happens that we go through certain incidences in our life. कुछ ऐसे incidences and experiences होते हैं in our past that might be very difficult for you to forget. और इससे क्या होता है, आप एक ही जगह stuck हो. You are in the present, but still you're constantly thinking about past. Okay, there was a beautiful quotation that I read, and it was I don't look back. I'm just too busy to focus in now. And I'll say this is one of the most beautiful things that you can ever develop in your life. That is, see, past bitter experience is only to make you a better person, not a bitter person, number one. Number two, any bad experience you had in your past, okay, इसका ये मतलब है that you have overcome that and today it's a new day. Everything is moving ahead. टाइम नहीं रुकता, तो हम कैसे रुक सकते हैं जब टाइम नहीं रुक. बिटर एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं. आई ऑल्सो हैड सम वेरी बिटर एक्सपीरियंसेस इन माई पास्ट, बट आज वो जो भी मेरे लाइफ के बिटर एक्सपीरियंसेस थे, आज वो मेरी लाइफ की स्टोरीज हैं. दे आर स्टोरीज ऑफ माई लाइफ, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई कॉल, यू हैव टू टर्न योर पेन इनटू पावर. एंड लिसन, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न मोर अबाउट इट, you can be part of my inner circle, that is Super Achiever Circle, and to learn more about it, there's a link below. You can, in the description, you can go there and check out the details. And if next thing is negative outcome. So पहले ही हमने किसी चीज़ के बारे में नेगेटिव सोच लिया, ठीक है, कोई काम स्टार्ट हुआ नहीं, उसके पहले हमने सोचा ये तो चलेगा ही नहीं. So if you have that thinking, you are stuck. Because a negative mind, a negative outcome can never give you positive results, right? So क्या होता है, and the reason this happened, there's a logical reason. ऐसा इसीलिए होता है because your mind by default it is like a worried mother, ठीक है. तो क्या होता है, it is very easy to get worried, it is very easy to get stressed, and it is very easy to get negative. And that's one of the biggest reason that there are very few people who are at the top, because they have conquered their mind. So if you're constantly thinking negative, if you're thinking about negative outcome, you're not going to move ahead. And here the best part is, again, you have to train your mind consciously to move to the next level in your life and just keep going no matter what. Next thing that may stop you, that is again very very important, and that is called skill. Skill क्या होता है, कोई भी चीज़ को करने का तरीका. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कार ड्राइविंग, मैंने कार चलाना सीखी थी. सो दैट्स ए स्किल. पहले मुझे नहीं आता था, अब मुझे आती है. फिर बीच में थोड़ा बम्पी राइड था, तो देयर वर लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस. नाउ इट्स स्मूथ राइड, राइट. सो व्हाट इज ए स्किल, एक काम करने का तरीका. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप if you are in a business or if you're in a job, doesn't matter, but there are certain skills you need in order to excel. For example, if you're a salesperson, you need to have sales skill, right? You need to have communication skills, you need to have influence skills. If you are a leader, you need to know how to get work done from others, right? If you are, say, if you want to present in front of others, you need to have that amazing presentation skills, right? So in skills मतलब किसी भी चीज़ को करने का तरीका. So आपके काम में just identify what are the top 5 skills that you need and go just develop those skills. Okay, next thing that may stop you is fear of unknown or fear of failure. You know, it's very easy for us to remain in our comfort zone, right? And the reason people stay in the comfort zone is because they are extremely fearful. Okay, what if I fail? Okay, what next is coming? I don't know, right? Now let me tell you, there are two things. Either you can be where you are, or you can just take into the next step. Even if you will fail, you will at least gain that experience. And after that, once you will again start, you will not start from zero, you will start from experience. Okay, highly successful people in the history, they have gone through more failures, right? So, and failure or success, I would say it is just in your mind. For me, I always see it as a feedback. This is working, this is not working, that's it. There are no failures in life. Either something works or something doesn't work. And if you can learn from it what doesn't work and you keep on focusing on what works, you become unstoppable, right? So life is really too short डर के जीना and becoming fearful. Just get into your power, tap into your power, and just do what you're supposed to be doing. Okay? And the eighth thing, that is the last thing that may stop you, specifically if you are an entrepreneur, and that is called doing it all by self. सब कुछ खुद ही करना है, ठीक है? ये भी मैं कर लेता हूँ, ये भी मैं कर लेता हूँ, ये भी मैं कर लेता हूँ, ये भी मैं कर No. You cannot do everything. There are certain things that God has given you gift. There are certain gifts that God has given you that only you have. And if you can focus on those gifts and if you can nurture them, you become unstoppable. You're not meant to do everything, right? There are some things that I'm really good at, and some things I'll freak out, right? So you have to know what are your true gifts and then in alignment with that. Right. So if you want to learn more from me, I invite you to be part of my Super Achievers Inner Hub. In the description, there is a link below wherein there's a orientation video wherein you can see what all I cover. And if that feels right for you, do be the part of this club. Right. Thank you so much. And if you are for the first time, if you have watched today's video, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye-bye.